If you want to start learning how to code today, where would you start from? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to learn Python. I know of people who started learning Python and it took them at least 3 years to feel confident in their skills. But today, things are different. You can reach an intermediate level in Python in just 3 months if you learn it the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the right way to start as a beginner. Before we dive in, I know most of you might be asking, is it still necessary to learn Python in this age of artificial intelligence? What is the point when AI can literally write codes much faster than we can? Well, Python is still one of the most in-demand programming languages today. In addition, knowing how to program in Python enables you to build applications on top of AI models, which means you are not just a consumer of AI, but you can build things with AI. Yes, AI can now generate code, which made coding more accessible with no codes and local tools, but it still has significant limitations that we can't ignore. Hallucination in a conversation might be amusing and insignificant, but in coding, it is very fatal. A cybersecurity researcher recently noticed that language models repeatedly produced a command to install a non-existing Python package. Without significant knowledge of coding, you might allow AI to generate codes that will install malware on your environment. So that is still one of the reasons why you should know how to code. Just like calculator didn't replace mathematicians, AI will not replace programmers. Without the knowledge of programming, you won't know if the code generated by AI are correct or completely wrong. You will simply be copying and pasting without knowing what is happening behind the scene. Think about it this way. Two people have access to the same exact AI model. One person knows Python and the other doesn't. Who do you think will build a better application? The person who knows Python, right? Because he knows how to ask better questions, fix errors, improve the code, and customize it in a way it should solve real problems. Learning Python is not all about becoming a programmer. It is about learning how computer thinks. Once you learn programming logic, learning becomes easier. Python can become the foundation for your entire software development journey. Another reason I recommend Python is because of its versatility. With Python, you can build websites, develop desktop applications, analyze data, build artificial intelligence and machine learning projects, automate boring tasks, create trading bots, develop cybersecurity tools, and even make games. There are just very few programming languages that give you this much flexibility. Python is also one of the easiest programming languages for beginners. Its syntax is clean and easy to read. You can spend more time worrying about complicated rules and more time learning how to solve problems. That's why universities around the world use Python to introduce students to programming, while others use HTML and CSS. Now, let's talk about opportunities. Companies are constantly looking for Python developers, whether you want to work remotely, freelance, build your own software, or even build your own tech company someday. Python opens doors to almost every area of technology. And here's something many people don't realize. Learning Python changes the way you think. It teaches you how to break down big problems into smaller, manageable steps. And that problem-solving skills don't only help you in programming, it helps you in businesses, academics, and everyday life. Finally, don't make the mistake of waiting until you feel ready. Every experienced programmer you see today, every experienced programmer you admire today started by writing their first hello world. That's the first programming line every programmer started with. And as they go on, they make mistakes, they get confused, and they search for answers. And they kept going. The difference between them and anyone else is that they never quit. And so, with that being said, I have drafted out a roadmap to how you can learn Python in just a space of 3 months and become an intermediate person in Python. Check the link in the description for the roadmap. So thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next video.
You wanna lick my bum, but clock my rod to talk. Got 'em going crazy for that poo, nah.